Cleanup and repair efforts along Eastwood Canal in Lakewood Park are underway. Tornadoes from Hurricane Milton in 2024 left uprooted trees, wind-blown debris, isolated washouts and slope damage, as well as heavy vegetative debris within the canal. The entire project spans from Miramar Avenue to North Boulevard, with cleanup efforts beginning south of Turnpike Feeder Road. Motorists are advised to drive with extra caution in the area. Residents are advised to not place trash or yard debris along the canal at this time. The project is expected to be complete in early 2026, with the debris removal occurring first. The USDA Natural Resources Conservation Service, through its Emergency Watershed Protection Program, is funding the project.